In the quiet of the night, when the shadows start to speak, every step feels like a mountain, every breath feels weak. There's a storm inside your body, thunder in your veins. But even in the darkest hours, hope still calls your name. Through the wires of the future, through the pulse of the now, there's a gentle hand of science saying, you don't walk alone somehow. We send signals of light through the silence of pain, a rhythm of freedom in a world once chained. From the spine to the soul, hear the healing call. Neuromodulation, rise and stand tall. You are more than the hurt, more than the fight. We send signals of hope through the longest night.
Every heartbeat carries stories of battles you've won. Every scar is a chapter, not the end of the run. In the language of neurons, in electric dreams, we're rewriting tomorrow, brighter than it seems.
Like a whisper of courage in a restless sea, there's a spark in the darkness saying, you can still be free. We send signals of light through the silence of pain, a rhythm of freedom in a world once chained. From the spine to the soul, hear the healing call. Neuromodulation, rise and stand tall. You are more than the hurt, more than the fight. We send signals of hope through the longest night. When the road feels endless and the dawn feels far, remember who you are. Remember who you are. In every coded pulse, in every gentle wave, there's a future unfolding. There's a life to save.
We send signals of light, soft as a prayer, through the currents of care. We're always there. From the spine to the soul, feel the healing start. A new tomorrow beating inside your heart.
We send signals of light through the silence of pain, a rhythm of freedom in a world once chained. From the spine to the soul, hear the healing call. Neuromodulation, rise and stand tall. You are more than the hurt, more than the fight. We send signals of hope.
We send signals of light.
And in the glow of tomorrow, you'll finally see your story is strength, your destiny.